Oh shoot, he got the heads for free. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk. You could say what you want. Halloween based decks on Halloween, so basically ghost decks. So basically ghost decks. If he doesn't have another will and he flips tails, it's GG's for this kid. It's absolutely GG's for this kid. Cause even after all the bonfires. It's 11:45 a.m. here and he's drunk. It's 10:50 by me right now. So I guess I'm an hour behind. Watch the tails. Watch the tails. Watch it. Focus. Oh, that is bogus. Jehovah, hide me, I am on that rock. Sabrina. Where is my Sabrina? Sabrina. Where is my Sabrina? Sabrina. We up against some cheese. Team Rocket Grunt is kind of bogus. Yeah, these viewer battles for now have no rules. Later on, we're going to do some dragon battles. But what do you mother? But what do you No shot, he lands another heads. He's cheating. This kid is cheating. He is cheating. Brother man. I'm at 1800 by the way.